So it is 9:20 in the morning. It's about 32 degrees out. Today our mission is walleyes. Loaded up in the truck. I'm headed out to pick up my buddy, and then we're gonna spend the morning trying to get after some pre-spawn walleyes. That's the goal today. So, we're just gonna go head in the grindstone, see if we can get lucky, hook up on a fish or two, or maybe we won't, and this video will never air. Who knows? But that's the goal. Stay tuned. River walleyes, late March. Hopefully we can get a fish. Can you smell the walleyes? Yeah, I can't tell if it's just the city or walleyes. Hopefully walleyes. 'Cause yeah, I don't think it's anywhere near as high as it was last year. They should be in here, question mark, I don't know. But yeah. Game on, buddy. We're hooked up. First fish. He doesn't seem too bad.
Burning my spot, but whatever.
Thinking we got a walleye here. Oh yeah. It's pretty heavy. Oh yeah, it's a walleye. Or wait, no. Yeah, it's a walleye. Nice walleye.
That's a big old walleye.
Oh, it's not big.
Not small.
Very nice.
How about that? They be here.
Just had to do a little work
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna your spot.
to find them.
Just fucking tail.
Yeah. Very nice
Look
fish.
at you. Hop it over there. Look at this getting back here.
Alright. There he goes. Way.
Watch
Wow, that was awesome.
You're in that pool over there.
That was kind of my thought.
Well, my thought is it's this pool, but fuck, maybe it is. You might want to get like down on top of that thing.
No, because we could hit it from here.
Well,
We could definitely hit it from here. I think they're bass fishing.
is that legal?
Yeah.
On the river?
Yes. So, it's been about 45 minutes since I got that walleye. I'm gonna tie on a different jig, put on different swim bait, give it a shot, see if we can tangle up with something. Brady got himself a gosh darn carp. My brother also just showed up, so he's fishing too. So, well, should be able to figure something out here, hopefully. So we'll see what happens. Not really, no. It can be, but no, not this year. I think the water's too low. Yeah, and it's such a small period. The bite, yeah. Yeah. I haven't really fished here much, so I haven't.
That was a good spot right where you're at. At least the water's lower, the stream that comes out.
Sure.
Deep right about where your lure hit.
Okay. Cool, good to know. Thank you. All right.
One boat, yeah, there's one boat up there.
Let's call it. Got one. You got bugle lips. They look, if they're walleye, they're big walleye. I think they're carp though.
Carp.
Oh yeah,
I just saw one of them go broadside. They're massive carp. Dude, look at the one. God.
Oh yeah, those are carp.
They're
Bugle
huge
lips. Wow.
No, we were fishing for walleye. There's a ton of carp up here though. It's kind of funny. Well, the walleye are in the main river. They don't really go up the creek at all.
Oh.
They're not here yet. We either missed them or we're too early. So that was it. Like I said earlier, I got one walleye. Brady got a carp. After that, we didn't get anything. Didn't really feel any extra bites. So I'm thinking it's a little early yet. We'll probably get down there next week at some point. But other than that, it was a fun half-day trip before work. Just a good time to get out. It was pretty cold in the morning, but it's beautiful now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, we'll see ya.